Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you physical hazard, which is a part of food safety and quality control in the discipline of food and biotechnology. Then introduction, what is physical hazards in food? Physical hazards are either foreign materials unintentionally introduced to food products, for example, metal fragments in the ground meat, or naturally occurring objects, for example, bones in the fish, that are hazardous to the consumer. A physical hazard contaminates a food product at any stage of the production. Food processors should take adequate measures to avoid physical hazards in food. Physical hazards, these are the risk in food. Hard or sharp objects are potentially physical hazards and can cause cuts to the mouth or the throat, damage to the intestines, damage to the teeth or gums. Then the presence of physical hazard in food can trigger a food recall affecting the brand name of your company and product. Then factors determining a potential risk. Factors that cause potential risk to consumers in food product include size. Health Canada states that anything in a food product that is extraneous and measures 2 millimeters or more in a size can be a health risk. Type of consumer. Products that target infects, the elderly, etc., have a higher risk level. Type of the product. The form of the product, cakes such as infant formulas, beverages, etc., can increase the risk level. Then physical characteristics, that is hardness, shape, and sharpness of the product can affect risk level. Then common physical hazards. Common sources of physical hazards in food include glass, that is a light bulbs, glass containers, and glass food metals containers. Metal is fragments from equipment such as splinters, blades, needles, utensils, staples, etc. Then plastics, materials used for packaging, fragments of utensils used for cleaning equipment, stones incorporated in the field crops such as peas and beans during harvesting, wood, splinters from wood structures and wooden pallets used to store or transport ingredients or food products. Then natural components of food, hard or part of food, for example, shells in the nut products, if consumers do not expect them. Then preventing common physical hazards. There are many ways food processors can prevent physical hazards in food products. Assess every step of your operation for potential sources of contamination. That is, inspect raw materials and food ingredients for field contamination, such as stones in cereals that were not found during receiving. Handle food according to the good manufacturing practices. For example, avoid inclusion of physical hazards such as jewelry or false fingernails in food products by using proper personnel practices. In the food industries, there is a restriction that is that not to wear any jewelry like earrings and rings in the processing area, so that it does not cause any physical hazard. And yes, there is also a provision of making the hairs of the worker is small, so that the hair is not plucked and do not put into the food, and to prevent the physical hazard. Eliminate potential sources of physical hazards, that is in processing and storage areas. For example, use protective acrylic bulbs or lamps covered to the prevent contamination by breakable glass. Install an effective detection and elimination system for physical hazards. For example, metal detectors or magnets will detect metal fragments in the production line, while filters or screens will remove foreign objects at the receiving point. Establish an effective maintenance program for the equipment in your facility to avoid sources of physical hazards such as foreign materials that can come from worn out equipment. Then detecting and eliminating physical hazards. There are several methods available to detect foreign bodies on food processing production lines. Magnets can be used to attract and remove metal from the products. Metal detectors can detect metal in food and should be set up to reject products if metal is detected. Then equipment should be properly maintained to ensure it is always accurate and does not produce false positives. X-ray machines can be used to identify hazards such as stones, bones, and hard plastics as well as metal. Then food radar systems transmit low power microwaves through food products to identify foreign bodies such as metals, plastics, bones, or kernels in food. And in the tea chassis, uh, there is a previously there is a stapler is there which is making the tea bag tied up with the thread. Now this stapler is prohibited because it also a cause of physical hazard, and it is then shoot by the machine by the thread so that it will avoid the physical hazard. Hope you are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve when I have a live session. Thank you so much.